Hey everyone, I'm starting a new project on the mini lathe today, and it's actually not metalworking. I'm adding a stroboscope to the mini lathe, and then I decided since I'm going to add that to the lathe, I'll add a tachometer to it also. So today I designed up on the laser cutter a little acrylic mounting point to hold the sensor board, and then also a 10 position encoder wheel that goes on the spindle. And then on the sensor board, I put a little infrared LED on the left side and a phototransistor on the right side. And you can see as the lathe spins, the LED shines through the slot to the phototransistor. Let me show you how this works. Turn the lathe on. And then I'm just debugging it right now, so all this wiring is like really messy. But going down to the little oscilloscope here, and you can see it's a very clean, nice signal coming out of that sensor board. And then I coated up some basic coding to do a tachometer, and you can see the frequency matches between the two. Let me turn up the lathe. Turn it all the way down. So anyways, if you're going to build a tachometer or a stroboscope for your lathe, I hope you find this video useful. Just give you some ideas. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because I have some more videos coming. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.